So guys, if you want to know how we plate up this lovely vermicelli in the kitchen today, you just need to keep on watching so that you know how we make this vermicelli and how we plate it up on here. It was all nice and lovely and we enjoyed doing it. In the meantime, let's get started. Assalamu alaikum, my name is Fatim and welcome back to Fatim Ali's Kitchen. How are you all? I hope you are all okay. I'm fine too. So today in Fatim Ali's Kitchen we have got you vermicelli. We're cooking vermicelli Senegambian style and it's going to be cooked with all of these ingredients here, which we will be posting on our description section below for you guys to check it out. Okay, thank you all so much for coming in. I appreciate you all. Alright, so first our oil is nicely hot, but we're going to ignore that just a little bit, and then we are going to get our marinated chicken on this tray here. We have got a whole chicken that we cut into 4 pieces, and it's going to go in the oven, gas mat 180 degrees for 45 minutes. So now our oil is nicely hot. We're going to go on and add our diced onions in. By the way, it's 2 big large white onions that we diced. Give that a little stir, and then we add our garlic in. I'm gonna season it with a bit of salt, and then I'm going to leave all of that to fry until it is nicely golden brown. So while this one is frying here, the onion and the garlic, we're going to go on and boil 3 eggs. Okay, so that egg is boiled. We're going to turn the gas off. Onion also is nicely fried. We're going to add some green seasoning in, my own homemade green seasoning. We've got the video of that there somewhere. And then I'm going to add some small green chilies with 1 Scotch bonnet chili. You don't have to add any chili at all. This is optional. So we give all of these a stir. And we are going to leave that one also to fry for a minute or 2. Okay, it's been 2 minutes already. So the onion is nicely fried with all of these ingredients. So now we're going to put some Dijon mustard in. And then we give it a stir. And we're also going to add the marinade that was left under the chicken. Then we're going to add some pepper, some salt, and 1 Maggi Cube. Stir all of these well. Then we're going to add that much water in. And now we're going to leave this to cook. In the meantime, we check our chicken. Chicken is also grilling nicely, so we're going to turn them over to grill the other side. And then we put it back in the oven. So guys, we just took the chicken out of the oven and it's all grilled perfectly. So now we are going to stir the sauce a little bit, and then we will be adding the pickled onions in at this point. Then we'll add a little bit of the apple cider vinegar. Give that all a mix. And we'll add the chicken in. So we just gently stir this together to make sure the chicken also is in the sauce, have some taste on it. So I'm going to leave this to cook for 2 minutes while everything mixes together. Okay guys, this is done. It's done. Everything has cooked and it is done. So we're going to turn the gas totally off. So guys, now moving on to our vermicelli. This is the vermicelli that we're using. I bought it from the ATM store and it's only just £1.60, and this is how it looks. I'm using it for the first time. Let's see how it works. I'm going to pop all of that in here. It's 500 grams. And I'm going to add just oil on it. You need to add as much oil as you can because we don't want it to stick together. So I'm going to toss this. And then I'm going to add another little bit of oil. Toss again. Let's see. Mix it with that. Right, then we get close to our pot with our colander, and we're coming to steam this. Let's get rid of every bit there. Kind of open it. Then put the lid back on and let it steam. Okay guys, let's check our vermicelli, how it is cooking. Okay, so that's cooking nicely. We just flick it all over. Make sure the bottom goes to the top and the top goes to the bottom. Yeah, so that's cooking. I'm going to open it a little bit so that the steam can come up to the top as well. Yeah, maybe. Right, I'm going to put the lid back on and let it carry on steaming until it's cooked. Okay, so let's check our vermicelli for the final time now. Alright, that is absolutely nice. It's all cooked. It has all cooked, so let's see. Yep, that one's cold. We're gonna go on and tip it in here. Lovely. Right, so That's that. Actually, 1 second. I'm going to drizzle some oil so that this thing doesn't stick together. These bad boys love sticking together and we don't want them to stick, so we just add some oil on so that they don't stick, and we just mix. Right, so we're going to now tidy up everything and put everything away, then we dish out. All right, so guys, we're nearly ready with this vermicelli making in the kitchen today, and we have already started plating the vermicelli up. We're going to sauce it now and start eating it before it gets cold. So let's put our chicken on. Nice one. So now we're going to garnish it with our pickled onions. And we're going to carry on garnishing. Lovely. Right, and then we end it up with our parsley on the top. So guys, this is the end result of our vermicelli making with chicken. I hope you enjoy watching it while we make it for you. As we always say, if you do, click that like so that we know you liked it. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit that notification bell right over here so that you don't miss out on contents when we post a new video. You'll be the first to be notified. In the meantime, this vermicelli is looking yum. You're all invited. Come and have your plate ready. It's all waiting for you, and it's too much. I love you all. We're going to enjoy until we come on you again soon. Thank you all so much. Goodbye.